Okay, welcome to day 7 of the Pathfinder batch. We have been working for quite some time now. Uh, I hope these examples are mind-boggling enough so that you can think and expand your thinking horizons. Okay, all right. Today we are going to talk about something very interesting, actually. Yeah, you guys are 1990. तुमचा जन्म who is born before 1995? I don't think anybody is born before 1995. So you would be way too. अच्छा पण 1990 2000च्या आधी कोणाचा जन्म झालाय? Anybody born
माझं
20 2000? Hansraj is 2004. Okay. Anybody else? Before 2000. 2004. Except me, because I'm 50 years old, as you all know. Okay, all right. So, मुझे एक बात बताओ, तुम लोगों ने have you played that game Mario?
हो yes yes sir
You have that thing, no?
yes yes sir.
So that game is very interesting. Very only once. Okay. अच्छा हाँ, तुम लोग तो टिकटॉक वाला जनरेशन हो ना?
No.
It's a nice platform. Okay. So why do you like? अच्छा, so Mario is a very interesting game. Mario is a very nice game. But do you know why is it so famous? So there are a lot of games. So there is Contra, if you have you know about it, or there was this tank wala game. So these are all nostalgia games we used to play like hours and hours and hours on that game particularly. But Mario was something. Mario was something that everybody loved, everybody had played, and yeah. So we played. I am expecting that everybody has played Mario somewhere down the line at least once in their life. So uh, can you tell me why? Okay, so two questions. Complexity delivered in simple. No, you have not played. Can you tell me what is the difference between a game and a story or a movie?
Game is something that we can play and movie is something that we can only watch.
Okay.
Game is something that we can play
Okay.
and movie is something that only we can watch.
Okay.
Game
Game is something that we can play, and story is something that we can only watch, or a movie is something that we can only watch. Hansraj is saying action are controlled by us in the game. Okay. All right. ठीक है.
लेवल्स असतात.
Levels असतात. Okay. Makes sense. Makes sense.
आणि मूवी अशी स्क्रिप्टेड असते ना म्हणजे कम्प्लिटली.
Okay. Right. ठीक है. चलेगा. So there are different types of games. Chess is a very beautiful game. It's a strategy game, correct? It allows you to make strategies throughout. Matlab you cannot only attack somebody only on one front. You have to attack overall. So if you play chess, your brain will overall develop, and you will develop the strategy part of the game, where a lot of different characters are there, and they have their own characteristics. So you have to formulate a strategy according to everybody's character. Your camel cannot run differently than your elephant and your wheel, whatever. Then there are uh, mind games जसं पत्ते असतात. पत्त्यांमध्ये different games are there. Sudoku असतो. Sudoku is also very good for your brain, by the way. And then there are action games. There are board games. But can you tell me? अच्छा, question number 2. ऐसा क्या है किसी भी गेम में जो उसको गेम बनाता है? Like, what is it that makes a game a game?
टार्गेट.
Okay, a target is a good option. Strategy, yeah. Okay, I would say that strategy is there, and So okay, let's take an example of something. Okay, so I have a game. I designed a game, right? So one uh, where you have to do nothing. You just have to push one button, and you just like if you push one button for 100 times, you go to the next level. Will that be a game?
No.
Why? Because okay,
No.
no, all right. Joe, the person who designed Mario, right? He's a very famous guy. उसके बारे में कभी पढ़ना तुम लोग. Every game needs a target or a goal to achieve, and there has to be some obstacles. क्योंकि जब तक obstacle नहीं होगा तब तक मजा नहीं आएगा. Now obstacle can be in form of an enemy, or if you play a lot of game, there are some there is a lot of searching going on. There are a lot of hidden pathways going on. There is a lot of rewards are also there in the game. There has to be some reward, otherwise why would you play? Correct. So in any game, what you have at the end of the day is a target. And if you just जैसे GTA Vice City एक game है. I don't think तुमने सुना. Have you heard about GTA Vice City?
Oh.
Yes.
Oh, you have. Okay. So
Yes.
GTA Vice City game में क्या होता है? You can just do nothing. You can just go and just kill people and just you can not a lot of cheat codes and you can play. And you just get bored. I mean, it's a fantasy game actually, where you can play and do everything that is illegal. Not in favor of it, but okay. But so first of all, when we try to play, this is when I started to play GTA Vice City. Every time I used to like I used to call a tanker Panzer करके code होता था, if you remember.
हाँ.
I just used to like go to the police station near that beach के पीछे एक police station है, and I just blast the police station until I have 5 stars, and then I go to the hotel, change my clothes, and I used to put out the cheat code, leave me alone.
Leave me alone.
And that was actually the thing that improved my typing skills. Actually, I'm not kidding. So then there is leave me alone, then there is thug tools, this that. But after a while, you just get bored with that. There is nothing to. There are missions, there are targets, but तुम कितना टाइम स्टंट मारोगे, कितना टाइम सिर्फ लोगों को उड़ाओगे. So GTA Vice City is an interesting game because it lets you do whatever you want to do because there are a lot of possibilities in there. But GTA Vice City also has levels. Correct? सबसे पहले तुम्हें बीच वाला एरिया ओपन होता है, then you do some missions, and then some other this thing is there, other levels are there, then you get helicopters, then you get this, then you get that. A lot of different things are there, right? But even if you say target in GTA Vice City, GTA Vice City has a target of exploration, because the more you explore the game, the better. You also get that popat or mithu एक चीज होता है. If you
Package.
there was a package, right? There was a package also. Then as you go forward, you get new cars, you get new characters, you get this and that. So Mario का जो game था उसमें he had said few things. Number one was there should be a target. तुम जब तक target नहीं होगा तब तक तुम there will be no desire to achieve कि कितना टाइम पास कर लोगे. तुम एक ही मैप में कितना टाइम पास कर लोगे. You need more exploration. So in GTA Vice City, the exploration was something that we were looking for. In Mario, the target was to save the princess. Correct? Then you also have rewards. जैसे on the very first, पहला जब तुम jump करते हो, so you have this thing जो mushroom होता है, उससे तुम बड़े हो जाते हो. So you get a power up. Then you get
1-ups.
1-up होता है. Then you get गोलियां मिलती है. Then you have star also, which if you get that star, nothing can hurt you. So game is something. A game is to be a game जब तक तुम उसमें there is a target, there is a finish line. तुमने business एक game खेला होगा शायद summers में तुम्हारे families के साथ business करके.
Yes.
So the game goes for a very long time. But somewhere down the line, the whole point is you try to win. You are not trying to survive. Either you are trying to get out or you are trying to like you get in or you get out. That's the game. So the whole point of any game is to number one, there should be a target. There has to be something that you gain, and there has to be something that you lose. There has to be opponents, there has to be enemies, and there has to be a target that you have to achieve. At the end of the day, जब तक target नहीं होगा, तब तक तुम जैसे and it's as simple as real life. It also video games gives you a real life solution also. इसका implication क्या है? जैसे मान लो your target in Mario is to save that princess, correct? So that is something that we are working for. और उसके लिए we fight that dragon, the biggest dragon that we have over the bridge, if you remember. Then you have this small ते हे असतात ना, कासव असतात बघा. That castle is there. Then you have this eagle there. Then you have that fish. Play all that.
Next wala.
Achieve your target. You want to win something at the end of the day, and that applies everywhere. मैं थोड़ा philosophical जानना चाहता हूँ इस चीज में. Unless until you have a target, unless until you have something to look up to, there is अगर तुम्हारे okay, let me put it another way. You wouldn't choose your battles if you are not sure कि आगे क्या होने वाला है. तुम जैसे तुम्हारा अभी एग्जाम का प्रिपरेशन करो, 10th का कर रहे हो, 11th का कर रहे हो, 12th का कर रहे हो, तुम क्यों करते हो? कोई पढ़ाई जैसे तुम why would you do maths by its own? कोई जो छोटा बच्चा होता है खुद से मैथ्स नहीं पढ़ता, लेकिन उसे पता है कि अगर उसको लाइफ में आगे जाना है तो उसे मैथ्स पढ़ना पड़ेगा. आज तुम ड्राइंग कर रहे हो, ये कर रहे हो, ये पाथफाइंडर बैच, because you are taking this pain, you are taking this battle because you want to achieve something in your future, correct? So we need to have a target so that our efforts of going through something are worth it. अगर तुम मारियो में जाके पता चलेगा कि ये ऐसा है, ऐसा इतना तुमने धावपड़ किया और बाद में पता चला कि कुछ मिला ही नहीं, तो you will be very frustrated. So that is there. Case number 1. Case number 2. About the story versus game. See, a movie is a passive activity. You can just watch a movie because तुम उसमें तुम्हारा कुछ कंट्रीब्यूशन नहीं है. तुम उसमें लाइक तुम उसमें उसको देख रहे हो, नहीं देख रहे हो, तुम उसको म्यूट कर दिया, क्या कर दिया, तुम्हें nothing will matter because it's a one way attempt. तुम उसको देख के enjoy कर सकते हो. There is nothing you can do about it in that movie because the script is there. In the game, you have to take active participation, but there has to be a story. Without a story, there is no game. Do you agree?
Yes.
Kind of.
If there is no story, if there is no let's take case of Mario. Mario में भी एक story है. So first you defeat this, then you defeat this, then you go underground, then you do this, then you do that, and this is the story. अगर वो नहीं होता, तो there would be no मतलब see, I understand कि there are some choices that you make कि ये करना है, वो करना है, ये करना है. But there are some checkpoints that you have to go through. वो तुम्हें जाना ही जाना है. तुम कोई भी गेम खेलो. For example, there is this game called NFS Most Wanted.
Yeah.
Game है. So there is a story inbuilt inside the ये कि पहले तुम्हारे पास बहुत अच्छा कार होता है, फिर कोई तुम्हें हरा के तुम्हारा कार चुरा ले जाता है. So the target that you have in that game is to get your car back. That's the target that you are looking for. वो target है और उसमें स्टोरी भी अच्छे से बिल्ड है कि कभी कभी तुम्हें वो रेजर करके बंदा होता है, उसका फोन आ जाता है, वो बोलता है कि अरे तुम तो कुछ कर नहीं पाओगे, फिर तुम्हें ये रेस खेलनी होती है. Then you go to the 50th.
Checklist वाला ना हरवायचं.
In the last race, मतलब see, you are supposed to win. There is no doubt about it. But तुम्हें effort मारना पड़ता है बहुत ज़्यादा कि मुझे skill level बढ़ाना पड़ेगा, ये करना पड़ेगा, वो करना पड़ेगा. Sometimes your car gets impounded. Sometimes there is a lot of surprises. But a game without like particularly वो जो games, जिन games हम action games का बात कर रहा हूँ, they won't work without a story. Okay, even Contra has a story. Contra में पहले you are going to that jungle, then you go somewhere else, then you go somewhere else, then you have this inner things जहाँ पे तुम्हें machine को फोड़ना होता है different. So a lot of different things are there, but every game has a story, and the whole point और game में तुम्हें participate करना होगा. See, every game is designed to make you win. Okay, there is no game in this अभी तक ऐसा कोई भी गेम नहीं है जहाँ पे you are not supposed to win. You are supposed to win, but to make it more engaging, to make you want to play more, they have to evoke emotions in you. जब तक emotion नहीं होगा तब तक तुम ये मतलब नहीं ये कर पाओगे. they have to make you involved inside the game. And secondly, so there has to be a storyline, correct? कि क्या story है, क्यों मैं ये game खेल रहा हूँ, number one. Number two, there has to be a setting कि ये जो चीज है, ये जो गेम है, ये कहाँ पे हो रहा है, and the story is based on the stage, I would say, जहाँ पे भी ये हो रहा है, that and your story are co-dependent. जैसे NFS Most Wanted is a game about cars, okay, and car driving. और उसका स्टोरी भी कार के अराउंड ही है. अगर तुम्हारा जैसे मान लो देयर इज अ गेम which is based on जैसे मैक्स पेन करके एक गेम था. I don't know if you have played that game. There is a game called Max Payne. Max Payne का ऐसा था कि it was based in New York City where a wife of a cop gets killed. So it's a movie about revenge. So whatever plots are there, whatever stage are there, whatever like कहाँ पे फाइट होगा, कहाँ पे क्या होगा, कहाँ पे क्या होगा, कहाँ पे चेक पॉइंट होगा, ये स्टोरी पे बेस्ड है. एंड एट द लास्ट but not least, you are mostly I'm saying, you are the protagonist of that story. You understand? Protagonist and antagonist. Hero और villain का बात कर रहा हूँ. So you are the villain, you are the hero of that video game. Alright. Or unless until you can empathize with that video game, with that character, with that hero, or unless until you can familiarize with yourself with the situation of the protagonist, कि उसका रोल क्या है, उसका गोल क्या है, तब तक तुम उसमें मजा नहीं लोगे खेलने के लिए. एंड दिस इज ऑल कंबाइंड बाय अ स्टोरी. सो एनी गेम हैज अ स्टोरी, हैज अ सेटअप एंड हैज सेट ऑफ कैरेक्टर्स. कैरेक्टर्स में बॉस हो सकता है, विलन हो सकता है, कोई फ्रेंड हो सकता है. जैसे प्रिंस ऑफ पर्शिया में देयर इज दिस रेड वुमन दैट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू किल. हैव यू प्लेड प्रिंस ऑफ पर्शिया गेम?
No.
So there is, okay. So maybe in Mario you have that woman who throws all this fire sticks. So she's your opponent. You have to kill her in order to go forward. कभी कभी जैसे Contra में तो there are some power ups. So that is your friend, and there are some bombs which are your enemies. So a lot of different aspects are there. But I think one of the things that combines a game is a story. Unless until you have a story, like first comes the story, then comes the character, and then comes the setup. This is the overall scenario. Okay, इसको पहला एस्पेक्ट मैंने समझाया, दूसरा एस्पेक्ट मैंने समझाया, अभी तीसरा एस्पेक्ट का बात करते हैं. Why do we sketch? Why do we sketch? Because I sketch something so that I want you to understand कि मेरे दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है. For example, if I tell you, you know, there is a fruit which is to represent our designs, yes, or to express our ideas. Let me give an example. I say that there is a fruit. It is green in color and it is of sour taste and it has this and it has that. It has this. It might be not. It might not be able. You might not be able to understand what that fruit is. But if I draw a sketch of that, you can understand in 1 second कि ये किस बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. Now, for example, if something I want to अगर मैं किसी चीज को ये करना चाहता हूँ कि बाबा कोई इमेजिनरी चीज है जो मतलब या अनरियल चीज है, ऐसी चीज है जो मैं बनाना चाहता हूँ और वो मुझे तुम्हें एक्सप्लेन करनी है. The only thing that I can do is I can sketch it to you, or I can take a photograph, because when I sketch something, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to capture that thing in my mind and then represent it to you. For example, I want to express. I want to show that I want to talk about this. Okay, so either I can sketch it out for you or I can take a photograph. So photograph is also a visual journey. Photograph, जो भी तुम्हारा photograph होता है वो express करता है कि तुम क्या capture करना चाह रहे हो, क्या दिखाना चाहते हो. You might have noticed this कि मान लो अगर तुम्हें कोई photograph खरीदना है या तुम्हें कोई selfie लेना है, तुम इस तरह से भी selfie ले सकते हो. This is my camera, right? इस तरह से भी ले सकते हो, इस तरह ऊपर से भी ले सकते हो. So the way you arrange your camera, तुम क्या दिखाना चाहते हो इस पे डिपेंड करता है. अगर मैं दिखाना चाहता हूँ कि मेरे पीछे जो है, so maybe I'll take a camera like this. लेकिन अगर मैं ये दिखाना चाहता हूँ कि मेरे ऊपर क्या है, like what is here, so I'll keep my this thing like this, इस तरह से. Okay, so photography is something that we are going to work today. पर्सपेक्टिव, हाँ पर्सपेक्टिव भी है कि तुम क्या दिखाना चाहते हो. There is a very famous debate between perspective and perception that I am going to take in a day, but not as of now. Okay, let's combine these three things. What do you have to do? मैंने कहा था पहले स्टोरी आएगा, फिर कैरेक्टर आएंगे और फिर सेटअप आएगा. टुडे वी हैव टू डिजाइन अ गेम. कैसे डिजाइन करेंगे और क्या डिजाइन करेंगे? I'm not going to give you the story because story is something that you have to fabricate. Correct? I'm not going to give you character. Character क्या होना है ये तुम्हें डिसाइड करना है. But I am going to give you a setup. Okay? Your setup is your home. जैसे Mario, the game Mario happens ऊपर गटर के नीचे यहाँ वहाँ पे. So that is the setup. NFS Most Wanted का setup is a city. Correct? Max Payne का setup is the cold New York City. Contra is the setup where it's like a jungle and a factory and a lot of other things. The setup of your game is your house. Okay? What you got to do? You got to design your character and you have to design a story. And you have to design your enemies and you have to design your friends. Let me give you an example. Okay, for example, and you have to, every character should be an object in your house. Okay, for example, if I select this as my protagonist, okay, अभी मैं let me tell you मेरे घर में कैसे. So I have my room, I have a kitchen, I have another room, I have toilet, bathroom, and I have a hall. Correct? 2 BHK. So let's say this is the guy who is my protagonist और इसका antagonist. अच्छा, क्या ये जो चीज है which is what is this? It's a cutter. क्या ये इसका friend होगा या इसका enemy होगा?
Enemy.
ये friend,
Depends.
he can be friend ना because it helps him become sharp. नाही कळलं?
पण ते लाईफ पण तर छोटा करू शकतो ना, लाईक त्याची साईज टाइप.
Okay, so what about this? If I take a pen, so what would this be? Your protagonist, ये क्या ये villain हो सकता है?
हाँ.
Okay, what would be eraser?
Enemy.
Enemy.
पण फ्रेंड पण होऊ शकतं की लाईक मिस्टेक्स इरेज करते.
It depends.
Right.
It depends
Yeah.
on the story. For example, if this is my hero and this is my villain, okay, the how I can design my story is, so he is the villain who killed I don't know who, मतलब ये पहले he was the guy जो तुम्हारा ओरिजिनल पेंसिल होता है ना without any this thing, ये. So one day what he did, he was doing some work which he was not supposed to do, like he was going to attempt a crime या फिर एक किसी दूसरे पेंसिल का मर्डर कर रहा था. इसने देख लिया. So तब इसने क्या किया, he shot him. तो उसकी वजह से वो इस तरह से हो गया. Now this guy is in revenge कि मुझे इसको मारना है. So he goes here. एक एग्जांपल दे रहा हूँ मैं. So let's say I start with my hall. Okay. So in my hall there is a sofa and a chair and this and that. So what I can do, what I can do is I can take story design करते हैं पहले. ये पहले आया, then he started figuring out कि ये where I can find the traces of him. So मान लो एक ऐसा मतलब कि ये जो हम कट कर रहे हैं ना कटर को, तो ये उसको कहीं पे मिला तो वो पहला सुराख हो जाएगा. Then उसको उसका एक फ्रेंड मिल गया ये वाला जो बताएगा कि अरे नहीं तू यहाँ पे मत जा, तू यहाँ पे जा, बाथरूम में जा. So when he goes to the bathroom, he figures out कि there is some blood. Let's say for example. So according to blood, he figures out कि यार ये तो बहुत बड़ा गुंडा है इस सिटी का. Then he goes maybe into the kitchen and then he figure out more traces. So there is maybe a knife who is retired from the killing business. और वो भी अच्छे काम जैसे सब्जी काटता है ना नाइफ, तो he decides that he is going to be a useful person. Then he gives away to my room where my table it is his office, and there are a lot of different pencils, काफी pencil पड़ी हुई हैं, and then comes this, like then इनका बाद end of the day face off होता है, and then जैसे जैसे ये आगे बढ़ता है he gets sharp, and at the end of the day how he defines maybe how he wins is he put something in here so that it stuck, right? और ये इतना चल जाता है कि इसका blade खत्म हो जाता है, and then he wins. It can, this is the story where this is the villain and this is the hero. Okay, let's take another one. मान लो this is my hero, correct, and eraser is a villain. So ऐसा हो सकता है कि ये अच्छा काम करता है बहुत ज्यादा, but ये उसके हर काम पे erase कर देता है. Let's give an example. Okay? तो जैसे same journey but they some one day ये ऐसा चलता होता है, because ये चलते रहेगा ना हमेशा, तो उसका ये खत्म हो जाएगा, one day he is about to die, then he meets this guy and then they work out together, they exercise together and this becomes sharp, and then he finds out way कि eraser ने ये भी किया था वो भी किया था, then somehow you can find at some point इसका blade जो है वो खराब हो जाएगा, तो ये आखिरी बार उसको शार्प करता है कि बोलता है कि I know where the eraser is hiding and you go and you kill him and you avenge me. So he goes, and the way it will kill the this thing is it will probe the eraser as much as possible, so it basically scatters it. So that can be a story. For example, if I take for example if I get my key, चाबी होता है ना, that is my hero. So फिर ऐसा हो सकता है कि जो एक की है, जो तुम्हारा पुराना वाला की होता है ना, जिसमें मतलब नया वाला की उसमें कुछ भी ये नहीं होता, एंड ये कोई बच्चा है जो खो गया है और उसका घर है, घर की चाबी मतलब तुम्हारा घर का लॉक, तो फिर उसका जर्नी कैसे होगा, क्या होगा. सो दिस इज द गेम यू हैव टू डिजाइन. सो यू गेट द कैरेक्टर. आई एम, तुम्हारा घर जो है इज योर सेटअप. Okay, you have to design your story accordingly, you have to design characters accordingly. Okay, and you have to design levels also. कि जैसे ये बोल सकते हो कि लिविंग रूम से किचन में आने के लिए तुम्हें ये 3 लेवल पार करने पड़ेंगे. So there is a lot of thought process that has to be involved in this particular case. And once your game is designed, तुम इसमें like your character जो तुम्हारा protagonist है, it can be a spoon, it can be a brush, it can be your toothbrush, it can be your knife, it can be your gas lighter, it can be anything that you want. But इससे मिलकर मतलब जो कैरेक्टर तुम डिजाइन करोगे उसका स्पेसिफिक इससे ही होगा. मतलब उसका जो कैरेक्टर है, उसका जो डिफरेंट पर्सनालिटी है, उसका जो एट्रीब्यूट्स है वो इससे. यू कैन नॉट से कि पेंसिल उड़ जाता है. That is not possible. तुम उड़ने के लिए maybe you can use रवि असतो तुमचा, रवि वरण घुसळायचा रवि उड़ा सकते हो, थोड़ा सा इधर उधर चलेगा, but this मतलब don't go way out of your line. Try to think in terms of character. So there can be levels, there can be villains, there can be this, there can be that. ये तुम्हें डिजाइन करना है, करेक्ट. इसका एक और एस्पेक्ट है तुम्हें जो, बिकॉज वंस यू राइट द स्टोरी देयर हैज टू बी कि हाँ ये दिस इज लेवल 1 या दिस इज एक इम्पॉर्टेंट पड़ाव है गेम का, या ये एक इम्पॉर्टेंट पड़ाव है, ये एक इम्पॉर्टेंट पड़ाव है, ये तुम्हें फिगर आउट करने पड़ेंगे. और द अदर एस्पेक्ट ऑफ दिस असाइनमेंट इज फोटोग्राफी ऑब्वियसली. सो तुम्हें इतने यू हैव टू टेक 8 photos. That number 1 will explain the whole game. Second, it will give me a very clear idea कि how your house is, तुम्हारा घर कैसे दिखता है, वो भी मुझे इस गेम के थ्रू देखना है. So this exercise combines a lot of storytelling, a lot of strategy, a lot of game designing and architectural photography also, or a little bit of photography. जैसे मान लो I have to, जैसे मान लो ये मेरा रूम है, या फिर जैसे this is my house. Okay, अगर मुझे फोटो लेना है जिसमें मुझे दिखाना है कि दिस इज द वन वेयर द फाइनल बैटल इज गोइंग टू हैपन, तो व्हाट आई विल डू, आई विल टेक माय पेंसिल लाइक दिस, करेक्ट. यहाँ पे मेरा रूम है, तो आई विल टेक अ फोटोग्राफ लाइक दिस, जहाँ पे ये हमेशा मेरे हर शॉट में ये आना ही चाहिए. अगर मैंने ऐसा फोटो ले लिया इस तरह से, तो फ्लोर दिखेगा. कैन यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से? कि मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ,
Yes.
है ना? तो तुम्हें फोटो ऐसा लेना है नंबर 1 कि तुम्हारा गेम का जो स्टोरी है, गेम के जो पड़ाव है, गेम के जो लेवल्स हैं, वो काफी इजीली अंडरस्टैंडेबल हो. सेकंड, योर आई शुड बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड कि तुम्हारा घर दिखता कैसे है. सो देयर आर टू एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ दिस. तुम इसमें चाहो तो तुम कैरेक्टर जो है उनका स्केच भी कर सकते हो. जैसे यू कैन, जैसे ये पेंसिल है तो तुम इसको एक प्रॉपर बैडएस कैरेक्टर में डिजाइन कर सकते हो. तुम विलन का कैरेक्टर डिजाइन कर सकते हो. यू कैन डू एनीथिंग दैट यू वांट. दिस इज द एक्सरसाइज व्हिच इज गोइंग टू टेक अ लॉट ऑफ योर टाइम एंड अ लॉट ऑफ questioning, a lot of creativity, lot of uh, strategy development also. So this is a project that I was looking forward to काफी दिनों से कि ये काफी अच्छा प्रोजेक्ट जब मैं सोच रहा था. This is something that I wanted to do with you guys. समझा क्या करना है आज का असाइनमेंट? I'll explain, but did you get the at least overall idea कि क्या करना है?
Yes.
What do you want?
Yes.
Pick up any object from your house, right? He is your protagonist. Pick up another object who is your antagonist. Okay, you have to design or develop a story for a game, correct, जिसका सेटअप तुम्हारा घर है. ओके, उसमें तुम ऐसे हर रूम में एक लेवल हो सकता है. देयर कैन बी फ्रेंड्स, देयर कैन बी एनिमीज, देयर कैन बी लूप होल्स, देयर कैन बी समथिंग लाइक hidden message, there can be loot boxes, there can be power up, there can be power down, something like that, correct? So this is one. So you have to design a game basically with two different characters. तुम अगर चाहो तो इसका sketch, जैसे ये character है तो उसका sketch ह्यूमन फॉर्म में कैसे sketch हो, कैसे दिखे वो भी कर सकते हो. तुम मैप बना सकते हो कि इसका मैप कैसा है. तुम उसको और किसी तरह से एक्सप्लेन करना चाहो वो भी कर सकते हो. लेकिन तुम्हें 8 photos, you have 8 photos to explain your game in a visual manner. Okay, so इसको जो हम फोटोग्राफी का बात कर रहे हैं, जो फोटोज आएंगे उसमें तुम्हारे घर का भी एक्सपीरियंस मुझे आना चाहिए. इट इज नॉट एग्जैक्टली आर्किटेक्चरल फोटोग्राफी, बट तुम्हारा आई शुड बी एबल टू गो थ्रू योर होम. कि अगर मैं तुम्हारे घर के 8 फोटोज देखता हूँ और कल मैं तुम्हारे घर आता हूँ, ऐसे भी नहीं यार इस रूम के बाद ना ये वाला है, या इस रूम के बाद ना ये आएगा, यहाँ पे ये है, मुझे पता है कि यहाँ पे ये है, यहाँ पे. सो आई शुड बी फैमिलियराइज्ड विद योर हाउस. इस चीज को आई शो यू सम स्टफ. इस जो हम बात कर रहे हैं अभी, उस चीज को कहा जाता है कंसेप्ट आर्ट. कंसेप्ट आर्ट इज अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग दिस थिंग. लेट मी शो यू कि मैं क्या बात करूँ. कंसेप्ट आर्ट इज वेयर यू डिजाइन द सेटअप ऑफ द गेम. ओके, आई विल शो यू कैसे दिखाया जाता है. जस्ट गिव मी 2 seconds. So this is the assignment for you today. Concept art. Okay. So this is the environment concept art where, जैसे इसमें देखो कि इसको अगर तुम फोटो के जरिए किसी देखोगे तुम्हारा ध्यान पहले सबसे पहले कहाँ जाएगा, इसके तरफ ना. So this is, so when I see that in a video game or in a, I know that this is somewhere I have to go. एक एग्जाम्पल, जैसे ये चीज है. आई थिंक दिस इज फ्रॉम, लेट्स से लुक एट दिस. सो अगर तुम इसको फोटोग्राफ के फॉर्मेट में देखोगे तो यू नो दैट दिस यू और दिस इज द कैरेक्टर दैट यू आर प्लेइंग एंड दिस इज द ऑब्स्टैकल दैट यू हैव इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. तो इसको तुम्हें क्रॉस करना है. मे बी दिस इज अ फोटोग्राफ. So this is where you can say कि this is a new journey. So this is your character and this is where you have to go through. अगर तुम्हें तुम्हारा bedroom दिखना है तो what you will do, you will take your key and you will take your photograph like this. कि okay, this is where you are venturing right now. You can also show maybe something like this. So this is the photograph which shows कि तुम्हें आगे कहाँ पे जाना है. It goes like this. कि this is the pathway ahead. Correct? Some other stuff. जैसे कैरेक्टर एक होता है. सो तुम कैरेक्टर भी डिजाइन कर सकते हो अगर तुम, इफ यू आर दैट कंफर्टेबल विद योरसेल्फ. जैसे this can be a character. Okay, so he has a gun. He is in a certain way. तुम जिस अगर तुम साइबर पंक गेम बनाना चाहते हो तो यू कैन ऑल्सो, जैसे मान लो तुम किचन, एक एग्जांपल दे रहा हूँ, लेट्स से यू कम इनटू अ किचन, ओके, एंड यू नीड अ स्पेसशिप. सो मे बी जे तुमचं बेलन असतं ना, बेलन, उसको तुम यू कैन ट्रांसफॉर्म इनटू अ समथिंग लाइक दिस, दैट इट इज जस्ट गिविंग एन एग्जांपल. या फिर जैसे लेट्स से इरेजर है, सॉरी शार्पनर है, तो शार्पनर कैन बी समथिंग, उसको तुम थोड़ा ये कर सकते हो. And you let me show you some other stuff. Warrior within art. So this is the so this is the environment. Okay, what you know that this is where you have to come and this is where you have to go, and you understand the scale कि उसको कितना बड़ा स्केल है वो तुम्हें समझाया गया है उस तरह से. Correct? या फिर if I look at something like this. So this is a character of a person who is trying to kill you in that particular games. In Prince of Persia, maybe you see something like this as a character. So this is you obviously that you are this and you have to play this boss. So you have to take photographs accordingly. इसमें तुम्हें आर्किटेक्ट, जब तुम फोटोग्राफी यूज करोगे तुम्हें पर्सपेक्टिव भी यूज करना पड़ेगा. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल मान लो if this is my this is something that I want to this is my protagonist for example, right, and for some reason this is my antagonist. तो तुम्हें इस तरह से फोटो लाना पड़ेगा कि ये इसके एग्जाम बराबर सम. लेट मी आई ट्राई टू वर्क विद माय वेबकैम. So let's say I'm gonna take a bigger, so this is my villain, so I'll take a photo जिसमें ये सामने है और ये बहुत पीछे है, इस तरह से, maybe a little bit like this, where I know that this is something that I have to fight. उसमें तुम थोड़ा कलर के साथ भी खेल सकते हो, तुम्हारे रूम में अलग अलग लाइटिंग कर सकते हो, you can play, so you have a lot of stuff to work on, but it depends कि तुम कितना मेहनत करना चाहते हो. So what is the submission? Character, story, and story portrayed through 8 series of 8 photographs, and there has to be a write up कि इस सीन में क्या हो रहा है, इस सीन में क्या हो रहा है, इस सीन में क्या हो रहा है. You can explore character design or character development. You can sketch some of the environments. You can sketch villains. You can sketch characters. Whatever is possible. तुम जितना करना चाहो तुम इतना कर सकते हो. This is a very interesting exercise. और इससे तुम एक अलग वे में सोचोगे, because this is where graphic art, graphic design, architecture, photography, strategy, and psychology also comes into play. So this is something we are working as game design. Okay, lot of different aspects are there to it. तुम जब काम करोगे तुम धीरे धीरे उसको सीखोगे. Okay, alright, clear? क्या करना है? Okay, alright. Do we have any questions? Any doubts? Any question that you might have about today? Yeah. Okay. No questions for today?
No.
Okay. Anyways, I'm gonna record it and I'm gonna. If I have more than 8 setup. Okay. So this is where a good question actually. This is where the your efficiency comes into play. कि मान लो if there are 10 steps, you have to उसको थोड़ा ये करके तुमको 8 में ही दिखाना पड़ेगा. सो दिस इज ये एक्चुअली कॉमिक, इसमें थोड़ा कॉमिक का भी है. कॉमिक जो होता है तुम्हारे इसमें भी तुम एक कोई भी स्टोरी को 100 फ्रेम में भी दिखा सकते हो और मे बी 6 फ्रेम में भी दिखा सकते हो. सो यू आल्सो हैव टू चूज कि व्हाट आर द 8 इंपॉर्टेंट फ्रेम्स. 10 होगा तो 8 में करो, 12 होगा तो 8 में करो, 6 होगा तो 8 में एक्सपांड करो. बट 8 is the number. Why I gave 8 as a number? Because मैं 6 भी दे सकता था, 7 भी दे सकता था, बट 7 8 seems like a reasonable number to me. ज़्यादा होगा तो उसको कम इसमें करना पड़ेगा. Actually I had took apparel design. Yeah, I know apparel design, but it wasn't my first. It was my first lecture. I'll get back to you later, beta. Why don't you do one thing? You give me a call after this lecture is done. Maybe we'll figure. मैं समझ नहीं पा रहा तुम क्या कहना चाहते हो. Anyway, what about anything else related to game? About today's assignment? I assume तुम्हारी खामोशी को मैं ना समझूंगा. Okay, so we'll stop here today and I will see you on Monday now. Okay, शाम को 5 बजे. We are gonna do another. Do you want a hint कि हम क्या करने वाले हैं कि you want to be surprised?
Surprise.
Hint.
Okay.
Hint.
Hint. Okay, it is related. Okay, it is related to story as we talked about today. It is related to. You know what? I'm gonna keep it a surprise. I'm not gonna tell you now. ठीक है. Okay, हम रुकते हैं यहाँ पे. You do your assignment. काफी लोगों के टैनग्राम वाला असाइनमेंट नहीं आया है. आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग कि वो थोड़ा टाइम लग, क्योंकि स्टेशनरी शॉप नहीं मिला. बट असाइनमेंट भेज दो, बिकॉज जो नए लोग हैं उनका सबमिशन के बेसिस पे ही तुम्हारे जो असेसमेंट होने वाला है वो उसी के बेस पे होना चाहिए. जो एटलीस्ट जो नए बच्चे हैं उनको सारे के सारे सबमिशन वैसे के वैसे जो भी हैं करने हैं एट एनी कॉस्ट. ओके, चलो. सो विल स्टॉप हियर टुडे एंड आई विल सी यू ऑन मंडे शाम को 5 बजे. ओके, नो हिंट्स अबाउट इट. चलो, बाय बाय.
Bye.
बाय बाय.